Hello, fellow Toastmasters. Today I'm doing a short tutorial on how to navigate the club website, to use the agenda, sign up for roles, and to mark your attendance if you're unavailable for meetings. The first thing that you will have to do is to log into the club website, and that's right here under logins. And I today am just going to log in as a guest. And once you do that, you now have access to the members only section of the website. And that is about halfway down, members only. And the section we're going to be looking at today is meeting agendas. If you click on that, the first thing that comes up is the next available meeting. And this is where you can say whether or not you're going to attend. That happens right here. Now, if you're not going to be at the meeting, please let us know, and you can say no. And this means that you will not be assigned roles, which is very important. If you're on the agenda, we assume that you're coming. So if you let us know you're not, that is really helpful for planning. If you are coming to the meeting, then you say yes. And it's good to do this every week, pretty much right after the last meeting so that we can start planning for the next agenda. Now, this, of course, is the next meeting. Say you want to do a speech at a meeting a couple weeks from now. That's when you would go here, pick the date of the meeting that you would like to attend, and you can choose that. It'll take just a second, and that'll come up. Now, what you can do at this point is say, yes, I'm coming to this meeting, and say you want to sign up as the timer, which I have already done, or you can sign up as the vote counter. Now, I am signed in as a guest, that's why that comes up. But say something happens, of course, life happens, and you have to say you're not coming to this meeting, you would go in and remove yourself from that role. And again, that just helps with agenda planning. So signing up is relatively simple. You sign up here, you can say I'm not available for this meeting and remove yourself. If you want to sign up as a speaker, that is where it is a little more involved, but it really helps if you can give us details, which John has done. His manual and project is in Pathways, and he's given us a title, and eventually he will add an introduction. So I'm going to sign up. Say I'm going to give my icebreaker. I will hit sign up, and then I will choose which project this is. I am an innovative planning path. Now, the best way to do this, because it is so much information, is to hit the collapse all button. And now you're just seeing which pathways are available, and it's much easier to see if you just hit that. So I'm innovative planning. I pick that. I'm going to give my icebreaker, choose that. And then you decide what your title's going to be. It could be simple, about me. And then you put a speech introduction in here, and it could be just a very brief introduction. And once you've done all of that, it's very important you have to hit update project speech details. Now, when you hit close, it's going to populate that. And what this does, and the reason that it's important, is it helps the president and the VPE track your education progress. So the main things that you really want to fill out is this: which project is it? And that way you can, straight from the website, print your evaluation form. This just makes it much easier than getting into Pathways and finding your eval form. It's a new feature, and it really does help to make it easier. And you print this out and you bring it to the meeting, give it to your evaluator, and you're ready to go, and you're ready to present your icebreaker. That is pretty much the gist of what to do for agendas. The two main important things are to mark your attendance, and to, when you sign up for a speech in particular, go ahead and fill out those project details. It really does help the VPE to be able to figure out what was done and when it was done, and to reconcile the agenda after the fact. So that is just a brief tutorial on how to work the website, how to sign up for a role, how to remove yourself from a role, and how to mark your attendance. Thank you for watching my training tutorial, and I will see you at the next meeting.